In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute an N8n workflow in just 5 minutes, focusing on delivering clear and easy-to-follow instructions. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. It's the central hub for everything you'll need to interact with your workflows. Once the site loads, you'll want to locate the Sign In option. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the web page. Click it to enter your credentials and gain access to your N8n account. If you don't have an account already, be sure to create one. It only takes a few moments. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the N8n Editor UI, an intuitive interface where you can manage your workflows. The Editor UI is the heart of your workflow management, giving you a visual and user-friendly way to interact with your data processes. Once in the editor, you'll need to locate the specific workflow you wish to activate. Search through your list of workflows until you find the one you're looking for. The built-in search functionality or the organizational tools provided by N8n can be quite handy for this purpose. With the desired workflow selected, you'll notice an inactive switch associated with it. Simply toggle this switch to Activated. Once activated, N8n will automatically execute this workflow whenever its trigger node receives input or other defined conditions are met. This seamless mechanism allows for continuous, automated task completion without constant human intervention. Now, let's discuss manual execution. Sometimes you might want to manually execute a workflow to check its functionality or for testing purposes. In the N8n interface, next to your selected workflow, you'll see an option labeled Execute Workflow. Depending on the version of N8n you're using, this might also appear as Test Workflow. Clicking this button will initiate the workflow immediately, running through each node as designed. This manual execution is essential when you want to observe real-time results and perhaps debug any issues that arise. Each node will display its executed data, allowing you to ensure everything is functioning as expected. It's a powerful and quick way to validate your configurations and make adjustments if anything seems off. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and execute your N8n workflows, either automatically or manually. Whether you're setting up automated processes or testing new ones, mastering these basics will allow you to harness the full potential of N8n, streamlining your data tasks effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and now you can confidently execute your own N8n workflows.